Ang ingredients ni Gary is 47. One of the most potent dun sa kanyang ingredients is the old-fashioned food na kinakain natin. Yung mga beans, black beans, red beans, okay, pati yung mga fruits ng duhat, guavas, avocado. He uses the seeds more than the fruit. Nandun na mga luyang dilaw, makabuhay, carrots, the old reliable carrots, yung mga kalabasa. These are all containing phytochemicals, antioxidants. You will find sa mga highly colored plants and vegetables. And sa United States nga, yung wild berries, strawberries are all highly colored fruits that they really contain large amount of antioxidants. And we know for a fact na antioxidants are actually preventing the onset of disease. Ako skeptic talaga ako. In the first place, I never believed that. Kontra ko pa yan for many years until I met the guy and used it among my patients. And in fact, yung mga pasyente na nakita ko ngayon, some of them are off insulin. Walang insulin, sugar has been down by almost 2/3. Iba nag-normalize. Iba off ng mga tablets for diabetes. And I was really wondering bakit gano'n. Some of the cholesterol levels, talagang bumaba na siya. Meron nga akong pasyente for 6 months taking all those anti-cholesterol drugs. Pero when I add this, in just 2 weeks, 3 points ang bagsak niya. I was really surprised. No? The numbers do not lie. Sugar levels go down, cholesterol levels go down, blood pressure goes down. Even yung mga cancer patients, I have at least 3 given up for dead, paralyzed, all extremity. Pero now, sitting up, gained weight, happy, and I cannot explain it. Binibigyan niya ako ng sample, sige, subukan ko lang. Binibigyan ko, no harm. After siguro mga 6 months, I am pretty convinced. I now started to use it. And for me, I would say it works on blood pressure, lowering, cholesterol, diabetes, arthritis. I'm using it for stroke patients.